Alright, so this is a quick video on how to go into Schoology and start one of your assignments. So if I click on Schoology here, after I've signed into Clever, it's going to take me right into my Schoology account and I won't need to re-sign in. I'm going to go to Courses, and then I can see some of my courses here, but I like to go into this tab that says My Courses, because this is where I can see the new tab and the new class that Miss Jaber and I created to welcome you into third grade. So you might recognize this already, but this is our third grade practice class. It says hello and welcome. You'll always see a welcome message at the top of your page, and remember, we're always going to be working in this materials tab. But if I look down here at an assignment, there is actually an assignment that we're going to be working on the first week of school, and it's an assignment to help you become more motivated and to believe in yourself when you're completing your work. So this is called the Power of Yet assignment. It's not a graded assignment, but I'm going to show you how we can log into this so you can complete it and turn it in. So here there are a couple steps. The first step says make sure you click on My Document. My Document's here on the top of the page. Next, you're going to click Edit. Then you're going to read the slides, watch the videos, and type your answers anywhere you see the words Type Here. Step 4 says after the assignment is complete, make sure you click back into Schoology and click Submit. Alright, so watch what happens when I click My Document. The first thing that you're going to see only the first time that you try to complete an assignment is that it wants to connect to your OneDrive. So when you click Connect, you're going to be typing in the same name and password that you've used to log into Clever. It's your student email and your student password. So for this example, I'm using Celestine's name and password. So thank you, Celestine, for being such an awesome volunteer right now. I'm not going to be giving out your password, so no one will see your name, or no one will see your password, but we'll see how to log in here. So her name is STC. Her last name, the number 1, and you need to make sure you click at students.pgh schools.org. Click Next. Then it'll ask to sign in with a password, and that's where you type your password, ST, and then your numbers, which is your student ID. And let's see if I got this name and password right. We're going to click Accept. And now we should see that we are able to edit. So now we're going to see this presentation come up. But the next direction is to click Edit, because that's going to allow me to actually put in my answers if I'm a student working on this assignment. So it opens it up in a new window, and now we can see that it's in Microsoft PowerPoint, and this is exactly what you want to see. So on the left-hand side, I can see all the different slides that I'm going to be working on and going through with this assignment. So the first slide talks a little bit about the power of yet. There's no place to enter any text and type any answers or watch any videos here. It's just some material to read. Second slide says, instead of saying, I can't do this because it's too hard, I'm not smart enough to complete this math work, I'm not brave enough to try something new, it says try saying, I can't do this yet because it's hard. I'm not smart enough yet to complete this math work. And for the last statement, you get to type. It says type here to try changing the last statement yourself. So what I would do then is type or click into this box, and you're going to notice a little cursor is blinking. That means that I can delete the type here text and write my answer. I'm not going to answer this question because I want you to think about answering this question. I typed my answer so that you can see how to type an answer in. So after you're done going through watching the videos, like you'll see, and typing in your answers, I'll show you how to submit it. But keep in mind, when we watch our videos, sometimes our videos can be a little finicky. That means sometimes it can be a little tricky to get to work. So I type play first here, and I'm going to press play next here. I can watch some videos. I can go back through. There's another video on the second slide. Notice I pressed play in the middle first. Now I'm going to press play on the bottom left. It seems to help the videos work better that way. There's another video here. After you've watched these videos, there's a couple questions on the last few slides. And notice these questions all have a box that says type here. If you double click in that box, you can erase the words that say type here, and you can type your answer into this box. So here you'll type your thinking to answer the question, what should you do if you are stuck on a project, math problem, or worksheet question? So after I've answered all of these questions, I'm going to look back up at the top, and I'm going to look back to my Schoology tab. All my work is saved in this PowerPoint presentation because I see this word here that says saved. So now if I go back into this Schoology tab on the top, I can click the word Submit Assignment. Yes, Submit, and you'll see this cool rocket ship saying it is submitted. If I click Done, then what I see here is I see a PowerPoint, or I can click back and forth through these arrows to see my assignment, and look what it says instead of type here. Now it says my answer, because this is the copy of the assignment that you've completed. So now I know that this is completed, and I or Miss Jaber can go in to look at your assignment that you've completed now. You can go back to your class this way, and you'll still see the assignment here, but now you know that you've turned it in and completed it. If you have any questions on this, just let Miss Jaber or I know.